Hey guys, I'm Randy, this is Show Me Tint, and you're watching this video because you just got your windows tinted and you want to know how to take care of it. I'm going to show you real quick what we do, what we like to do, and what we'd advise you to do on your window tinting to make sure it lasts for as long as your warranty, which is the lifetime of your vehicle. What we're going to go through is just some quick care instructions. I'm going to show you a couple things that we use. The number one thing that, as fresh window tint, this is like out of the gate. People call me as soon as they get in their car and they're like, hey, I got bubbles in my window tint. What is going on? So window tint starts with water bubbles. You're gonna see those when it's starting to cure. When it starts to cure, it's gonna look kind of ripply. It'll look kind of like water in there because there's water in there. So as it starts to dry, you should notice it dissipating as the days go by. On the bottom of your invoice, we say 2 weeks. Film takes up to 30 days to cure. Some of it takes longer. But in 2 weeks, you should have a totally clear like glass finish. If not, then you definitely want to call us or your installer back to make sure that everything's running fine. The number one thing we say right away out of the gate is do not roll down. So you should see something like this, a little sticker like this that says do not roll down for 17 weeks. No, I mean it's actually like 2 days. Like you want to do it or not 2 days. No, for 2 days, don't roll it down. Not 17 weeks because that's crazy. But you can do that. Do not roll down, do not roll down, do not roll your windows down. Banks, drive-throughs, that's the number one tint killer. Besides that, you leave it up for, a couple days. What that does is like, make sure the tint doesn't peel up. That's what we're trying to do. It's all set with water, it's curing. That seal inside your window can peel that up. We don't want that to happen. We want you to have a good experience. The number one way to do that is just to leave it alone. Just kind of check it out. If you have any questions, feel free to call, but it's gonna look kind of weird for a little bit. I would say weird for a week. Don't roll it down for 2 days. So that's your basic, if everything's running smooth, and then, keeping it clean. Everybody always asks, how do I clean it? What do I do? You just made a big investment on your window tint, on your car. We appreciate you. So we want to tell you, you want to use ammonia-free cleaner. Ammonia-free cleaner is something like this. So I brought some things with me to show you. This is something we buy on like Amazon. You know what I mean? We'll drop a little link for you. If you want to purchase it. Should be like an aerosol can. This is crystal clear, but really you'll see a lot of safer tinted windows, ammonia free. Generally things in an aerosol can is ammonia free. There's a lot of options for you, but ammonia free, tint safe, cleaner with a microfiber towel, which you can also purchase probably on Amazon, or you can, whatever, but we'll drop a little link for you. So those two things are really all you need, a soft cloth and some ammonia-free cleaner. Don't use this, whatever you do. Don't use a paper towel. Don't use a newspaper. Don't do that. Don't do that because it'll scratch your window tint up. That's a good way to take care of it. Ammonia-free, soft towel. Don't mess with it though. Don't do it right away. Don't do it today. Wait a couple days because that's crazy. Just let it dry. Be careful your seatbelt. That's like the 187 tint killer. People flip it over their shoulder, hit a little window, and it'll knock a little hole in it, and you'll call me and be like, I got a big hole in my tent. No seat belts. I mean, you use your seatbelt. Definitely use your seatbelt. Oh my God. But don't let it hit your window. So that being said, up for 2 days, ammonia-free cleaner. Gonna look kind of weird. Be careful your seatbelt, rings, watches, that kind of stuff. Pets, dogs, kids, all that, could bang the inside of your window tint. The tint is all on the inside of your vehicle if done correctly. So if your tint's on the outside, you got a whole nother problem. So you didn't come here because you got it somewhere else. So just make sure that you watch out for that. That's a lot of questions. I'm trying to think if there's any other questions. If you guys have any questions about your new window tint purchase, feel free to drop us a comment in there. We'd be glad to answer it. We'll get right on it. We have people standing by just waiting for you to comment. So we'd love for you to comment, subscribe, like to our channel, and check out all the possibilities of your vehicle. We appreciate your purchase. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful in some ways. Like I said, if there's anything that I can include on there to help out, please let us know, and we really appreciate your time, and thank you very much for this. All right, have a good day. Thank you.